All right, swing it starboard slowly now.
Steady, steady. Watch the light.
Clear on the aft deck. There, zoom in on that signature.
Adjusting gain now. Wreckage, flight 447. Location locked.
Swing her out steady.
All systems green, engineer. Telemetry holding strong.
Copy that. Prepare for
Clear of the deck. Lowering to the waterline now. Steady tension. Splashdown confirmed. Descending to 10 meters.
We need to focus on the debris field at the 70-meter mark.
Roger that. Moving the ROV now. Sonar shows a strong return on the starboard side.
Taking the tension now. All right, keep it slow. Watch the fair lead. Taking the strain now. Clear the area. All clear up top. Steady lift.
Pressure holding steady at 50%.
Acknowledged. Start the ascent slowly now. Keep it steady.
All right, watch the starboard side.
Clear.
Tensioning the forward chain now. Keep it steady, bring it down slow. Copy that, easy now.
Hold it right there. Clear on the starboard side.
Okay, set it down, grab the chains.
Bridge, we are ready for departure.
All clear on deck, Chief. Wreckage secured.
Copy that. Slow ahead together.
Bridge, this is the deck. We are ready for mooring.
Copy that deck. 2 meters to the dock.
All right, bring her alongside slowly.
Whoa, steady as she goes. 2 more meters.
Lines are ready on the bow.
Bridge, we are secured alongside. Standing by for discharge operations.
Down 2 meters, hold. Drifting slightly left. Correct, easy down, and set.
The data from the flight recorders confirms our approach. We lift from the rear first.
Understood. We have the stabilization braces ready.
Finish assessment complete. The paintwork is perfect. Clear daylight verification successful.
Bring her about 5 degrees to port. Slow and steady.
5 degrees to port, approaching the fuselage now.
We are clear for final approach. Easy now.
Alignment confirmed. Engaging locks.
Bring it down 20 millimeters. Steady, steady. Watch the clearance on the flap. Looks good, lock it in.
Easy now, watch the starboard side.
Alignment is good here, Chief.
Clear on the left side, bring it down 5 inches. Copy that. Movie that, moving slowly. Lower it slowly, watch the port side clearance. Clear on this side, keep coming down. All right, lock it down. Check the pressure on the main strut gauge. Holding steady at 3,000 psi. We are clear. Okay, bring it down slowly. Watch the alignment pin.
Got it. Looks good here.
Set.
I'm very impressed with the quality of the restoration work here.
Absolutely, it exceeds expectations. Final checks look good.
Registration Foxtrot Golf Zulu Charlie Papa confirmed. Verification complete.
The livery is absolutely flawless.
It's perfect, Captain. A remarkable job by the whole team.
Flight 447 is ready.
As you can see, the white, blue, and red stripes are flawless. The team did an incredible job with the restoration.
Incredible work, everyone. Congratulations on a flawless restoration.